Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a mini house to make if you don't really have enough space in your room. So let's take it apart so that I can show you what you'll need. Alright, so let's count out our pieces. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 1x2s, 2 2x2 corner pieces, 1 2x2 slope, another 1x2, another 1x2, and 3 2x2s. So let's put everything to the side so I can show you how to build it. Alright, now let's get started with building. So first, get all of your 2x2s, place them on the bottom. Then make a little area at the bottom and place a brick here. Next, close up this part over here. Take this and place the window. Then let's add an area surrounding it, and let's cover this up. Then let's use the rest of our bricks to stitch this up so it doesn't fall apart. And that brick goes there. Now place the last of your bricks on top, and now we have a roof. And that's how you make a Lego mini house. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!